going to my first Pokemon vending machine. Oh man, I'm excited.
We'll get them when we get home, okay?
Are you 50 or resting shingles sharply increased in shingles herpes zoster in adults 50 years and older? Shingrix is not used to prevent chickenpox. Only Shingrix
Here it is.
90% effective at preventing shingles in clinical trials in patients 50 years or older.
See what they have.
Shingrix doesn't protect everyone and isn't for those with severe allergic reactions to its ingredients or to a previous dose. Tell your
Nothing.
healthcare provider if you're pregnant or breastfeeding.
Nothing
Increased
here.
risk of Guillain-Barré syndrome was observed after getting Shingrix. Fainting it happens, take precautions. Most common side effects are pain, redness, and swelling where injected, muscle pain, tiredness, headache, shivering, fever, and upset stomach. Shingles doesn't care, but Shingrix protects. For more information, ask a doctor or pharmacist. Visit Shingrix.com or call 1-800-772-9292. Sponsored by GSK.
Alright. So sad. Alrighty. Walk of shame. Walk of shame. Couldn't get anything. Oh man. It was cool though. Cool experience.